Good morning, students. This is your computer period. Welcome to you all in your computer class. We are doing revision in this series. Today, we will do the one word answers. You will answer the following question in one word. You all take out your computer copy and write down it in your Kafir classwork computer copy and learn it properly. It is very useful for you. First, put down the classwork here. I don't write the lesson number and put the date here. Today is 16th December 2020. Okay, answer the following question. First is, which tool is used to fill colors in your drawing tools? Answer will be colors tool. You will give the answer in only one word. That answer is colors tool. Second, name the commonly used software that help us to make drawing. The answer is MS Paint. Okay, name the commonly used software that help us to make drawing. Answer is MS Paint. Number 3, which key is used to quit tux paint? Answer is close button. Which key is used to quit tux paint? Answer will be close button. Okay. Number 4, name the another option which rotate menu have. Answer is flip. You can see the fun with computer is this. Name the another option which rotate menu have flip. Next, fifth, which tool is used to erase something in paint? You can understand with erase. This is erase tool. You can guess from the word of erase. This is erase tool. Okay. Erase tool is used to erase something in paint. Which option in paint enables us to rotate image or drawing in specific direction? Answer will be rotate. Rotate is the option that paint enables us to rotate images or drawing in specific direction. Answer will be rotate. Next one, which command is used to select and cut out only that part of a picture that you want to keep? Answer will be crop. With the help of crop, you can cut out the picture and keep only that picture which you want to keep with the crop of help. Okay. Now 8th, which group contains many different shapes that can be easily drawn in paint? Shapes group. You can understand the meaning, or you can understand the word shape. Shapes group. Which group contains many different shapes that can be easily drawn in paint? That is shape. There is total 8 one word answers. 4 in this page and next 4 in this page. You have to write in your computer classwork copy and learn it properly. Okay. Now have a nice day.